Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view. And it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important MCQ here. Class 9 CBSE NCRT Mathematics chapter here. A number system. That's important. Let's see question here. The MCQ question here in between two rational number there is R. That's a clear question here. In between two rational number there is a the option A is only one rational number, B infinities many rational number, C many irrational numbers, and D only irrational number. That's the most important question here. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer this question. You know that the question is clear here. In between two rational number there is R. Exactly one rational number, B infinity many number, C many rational number, D only rational number. You know that's an important question. But I clear that there is rational number here. Asking the rational number between two rational number. So it means the answer here is actually one rational number. The option A is correct here. Answer A is correct on this question here. Let's see next question. You know that next question arrive here. A question here. What should be denominator after the rationalizing 7 upon bracket start 5 under 3 minus 5 under 2 here. That's important here. You know that there are denominator after the rationalizing. That's important question here. You know that is important. Solve your notebook firstly and check your answer. Okay. The option here 19, B is a 20, C is a 25, D is a none of these. You know that is a question is a clear cut. But I understand for the screen, but not our technology here. Okay. The answer is the most important. I give you a few seconds for you understanding your mind and test your knowledge first of all. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear here. Denominator after the rationalizing here. The number is given here. You know that is rationalized here. Plus there's important and the option is here. Is not a 19, not a 20, not a 25 is here. Is none of these. You know that you solve and answer is come in this is not a 19, not a 20, not a 25. Then option is D is here. Correct answer. None of these. That's important here. And let's see next question. Question on your screen, that's important. The question here, the decimal expansion of the irrational number may be. The question is clear here. The decimal expansion of an irrational number may be. You know that is option A, terminating, B is rescuing, C is either terminating or non-terminating, and D is a non-terminating and the non-rescuing. That's an important option here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give you 5 seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. The question, the decimal expansion of the irrational number may be. That's important. You know that is important. Terminating is not applicable this answer here because decimal expansion is irrational number. This is not a terminating here. And B discrete, there's nothing here. You know that the either terminate or not terminate is nothing. But D is correct answer here. The answer is a non-terminating and non-requiring here. That's important. Not terminating and non-other requiring. That's important here. And let's see next question. The question arrive here. The question is clear. Value of 256 bracket 0.16 into 256.0.019 is. You know that is the important the calculation here. You calculate, I also calculate here. You know that you test your knowledge first of all. I give a few seconds for calculating this question. But calculating is a very sharply. You know that is the sharply is important here. You thought of your answer? Let's see what is the answer to this question. I calculating here. That's important. There is the answer is correct here. 4. The correct answer is here 4. There is a option is correct. A option is correct. You also calculate here. That's important. Let's see next question. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Which of the following is equal to x power 3? That's an important question here. The option here x into 6 minus x is power 3. X6 minus x3 power here. And B x6 multiply x3 power. And C x6 upon x3. And D x6 is power 3. You know that's an important question here, but very easy. First of all, test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see and understand this question here. You know that which of the following is equal to the x power 3? Means easy. X power 3. First of all here, x6 minus x3. It's not a possible here. X6 minus x3 is not a possible. It means A is a rejected here. And the next B, x power 6 multiply x power 3. The dots mean here multiply. Multiply means there is the plus. Power is plus here. It means x is a power 6 plus 3. It means 9. There is a not equal to the 9 here. B is also rejected here. And see the D option. D option is here. X power 6 is a power 3. Means the power is multiply here. So it means their answer is a x power 18. Okay. It means D is also is rejected. So reminded here C option. The C options here is the most important. The option here x 6 upon x3. Upon mean divide. Upon mean divide. And divide mean minus. The power is here minus. It mean 6 minus 3 is equal to x3. It means C is correct answer. The x3 is the x 6 upon x3 is equal here. It means C is correct answer. This goes over to C. There is a most important option for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question arrive here. That's important. And that is easy also. The question is which of the following are the irrational number? Which of the following are irrational number here? That's important. You know that the option here under root 23, under root is a 22, 5 and C is a 0.3796 and D is a 7.4748478. You know that is important here. That's important. You know that's important. But you first of all thought what is the irrational number here? I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer to this question here. You know that that's important. Irrational number here. Irrational number mean there is a not a come to the number is equal. The number is unequal here. First of all, you understand. The number is unequal is coming again and again. I take a D option. D option you see there is a 478. Means 478. 478 and 478 repeating to similar number. It means it is not a irrational number. It is a not a irrational number here. And C has here 0.3796. It means 6 is the ending number here. It means C is a nothing here or irrational number here. And look here the B option. B option is under root 225 means there is a square of 15. A square of 15. It means here not a irrational number. Reminder here A. A is here right option. The right answer is A. Irrational number here under root 23. Under root 23 is the right answer. A option is correct this question here. Next here, the product of rational and irrational number is. You know that the question is clear here. The product of the rational and irrational number is. That's important question here. An answer away and integer. B aways a rational number. C away on irrational number. D sometime rational and sometime irrational. The options are clear cut here. Test your knowledge. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer and note your notebook the right option and again check you. The question is understand the product of a rational and irrational number is away on integer, away as rational number, away on irrational number, and these sometime rational and sometime irrational. That's important. You know that is A is away is a integer. That is wrong here. That is wrong. This is not a A option. And aways or rational number, nothing. Because production of rational and irrational number is not a is rational number. The C aways on irrational number. That's the right answer. That is right. And this is important here. Aways on irrational number is correct answer for this question. The product of rational and irrational number is away on irrational number. That's important here. And let's see next question. You know that next question, that's important. A question here, a rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. That's important. That's important. The A option 1.9, B is under root 3 upon 2, C is 1.5, D is 1.8. You know that this question is clear here. The under root 2 is value is here 1.42, 1.41, okay, and under root 3 is value here 1.732. That's important here. That's important because that's important. You should be minus each other and that's come here. That's important. I give you few seconds for you. First of all, check your knowledge. First important. And after I give a answer for you. Rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. Under root 2 and under root 3. That's important. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question here. You know that the question is here very clear. This is under 2 and under root 3 between rational number. The rational number is coming here. That's important. The rational number is a 1.5. 1.5 is correct here. It means to option C. 1.5 is correct here. 1.5 is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Can we write a 0 is the form of P upon Q? That's a clear question. The important for the exam view here. Can we write 0 is the form of Q upon P. That's important. The option here A is, B is no, C is a cannot be explained, D is a none of the above. That's an important question, but give you few seconds for you test your first of all your knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. Question understand? Can be right or 0 is the form of P upon Q. That's important. There is a yes, nothing. A is here nothing, but A is a yes. That's right. A is correct answer. Yes. That's it as. Yes, can be right. 0 is a form of P upon Q. That's important. It means the option is A is correct. Yes. Option A is correct. Yes. I can be written to 0 is the form of P and Q. That's important. And let's see next question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. The three rational number between 3 and 4 are. The three rational number between 3 and 4 are. That's important here. You know that is a textbook questions here, but you calculate of notebook this answer. That's important because no technology for us. I calculate for this. Okay, you choose a option on this option. The option A 5 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 7 upon 2, and B is a 13 upon 4, 14 upon 4, and 15 upon 4. And 5 is a 12 upon 7, 30 upon 7, and 40 upon 7. Choose option. That's a great, but I understand you. The three rational number between 3 and 4. You know the 3 and 4. First of all here, let's see is 1 upon 2 here. 2 means is a 2 is a multiply. This is a 6 and the 8. 6 and 8 is one is rational number here. But otherwise is multiply by 4 both side upper and lower side. There is a 4, 12 and 16. 12 and 16, that's right. 12 and 16, and that is right. Means B option is correct here. B option is correct. Clear understanding you? Let's see you 4. Means 3 upon 1 into 4 into 4. 12 upon 4 and 4 upon 1 into 4 into 4. Means 12 and 16. But his here denominator is equal to the 4 and 4, and nominator is here different. 12 16. 12 16 means is here 13, 14, 15. As a three rational number is coming here. It means B option is correct here. The B option is correct. That's important for the mostly exam view here. Okay. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.